Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for the chance. My name is Sunil Dorlami. I am 22 years old. I am from Rolpa, Nepal. I am unmarried. My education 10 pass. My height is 5.3 feet. Weight is 55 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, king etc. I have 2 years of work experience as a recycle worker in Nepal. I want to come to any European country as a recycle worker, work in a good company and enhance my skill. Also to earn money to support my family. Job and duty of recycle worker is to sorting recyclable material, operating recycling equipment, collection and transfer, material handle, record keeping and reporting, maintaining safety, customer service etc. I will stay there for a long time. Also I will follow the company rules and policy. Thank you. Thank you.